This video I provide 50 questions from signal processing subject, and you try for this question and write your answer in comment section, and I will share the correct answer in comment section soon. First question, Laplace transform of f of t that is equal to cos square of t is. Find the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to cos square of t is. Second question, the analog filter is converted into digital filter by using bilinear transformation by. The analog filter is converted into digital filter by using bilinear transformation by. Find the correct answer. Third question, for third order system function of Butterworth filter B. The third order system function of Butterworth filter B. Fourth question, for complete DFT n-1 complex additions are converted to dash real additions. For complete DFT n-1 complex additions are converted to dash real additions. Find the correct answer. Fifth question, Fourier transform of a function f of at is given by. Fourier transform of a function f of at is given by. Sixth question, Laplace transform of hyperbolic function of sin of at is. Find the Laplace transform of sin of at is. Seventh question, the region of conversion of the z transform of a unit step function is. The region of conversion of the z transform of a unit step function is. Eighth question, the period of the function cos pi by 4 into t minus 1 is. Find the period of that function cos pi by 4 into t minus 1 is. Ninth question, given f of t is equal to 3 into e power minus 4t into u of t, its Fourier transform f of omega at omega is equal to 4 is. Given f of t that is equal to 3 into e power minus del t into u of t, its Fourier transform f of omega at omega is equal to 4 is. 10th question, if f of t is equal to f of minus t and f of t satisfy the Dirichlet condition, then f of t can be expanded in the Fourier series containing. Find the correct one. 11th question, consider the signal x of t is equal to cos of 6 pi t plus sin of 8 pi t, where t is in seconds. The Nyquist sampling rate for the signal y of t is equal to x of 2t plus 5 is. 12th question, the Nyquist sampling rate for the signal x of t is equal to sin 500 pi t divided by pi t into sin 700 pi t divided by pi t is given by. The Nyquist sampling rate for the signal s of t is equal to sin 500 pi t divided by pi t into sin 700 pi t divided by pi t is given by. 13th question, the bilateral Laplace transform of a function f of t that is equal to 1 if a less than or equal to t less than or equal to b, 0 otherwise. 14th question, if the Laplace transform of a signal y of t is y of s is equal to 1 divided by s into s minus 1, then its final value is. 15th question, the unilateral Laplace transform of f of t is 1 divided by s square plus s plus 1. Which one of the following is the unilateral Laplace transform of g of t that is equal to t into f of t? 16th question, condition for stability of the system is. Condition for stability of the system is. 17th question, convolution of the following data sequence x of n that is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1 and h of n is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1. 18th question, value of inverse Fourier transform of x of omega is equal to 2 pi del of omega. Value of inverse Fourier transform of x of omega that is equal to 2 pi del of omega. 19th question, relationship between step signal and impulse signal is. Relationship between step signal and impulse signal is. 20th question, for the given RC circuit find the frequency response. For the given RC circuit find the frequency response. 21 question, Laplace transform of t into x of t is. Laplace transform of t into x of t is. Next question, the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to e power 2t into sin 5t into u of t is. The Laplace transform of f of t that is equal to e power 2t sin 5t into u of t is. Next question, consider a continuous time system with input x of t and output y of t given by y of t that is equal to x of t cos t. The system is. In 8-point FFT computation, the number of phase factors are. In 8-point FFT computation, the number of phase factors are. 25th question, if f of x is equal to modulus of cos x, the limit is minus pi to pi, then their Fourier series coefficient B2 is. Then the Fourier series coefficient B2 is. Next question, convolute the sequence where x1 of n is equal to 2, 1, 2, 1, x2 of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Next question, Laplace transform of I of t is given by I of s is equal to 2 divided by s into 4 plus s. The value that it will be settled at t is equal to infinity is. The value that it will settle at t is equal to infinity is. Next question, the z transform of a given signal x of z that is equal to 2 plus 3 into z power minus 1 plus 4 into z power minus 2. Its final value is. Next question, the convolution of x of t plus 5 with the impulse function del of t minus 7 is equal to. The convolution of x of t plus 5 with the impulse function del of t minus 7 is equal to. Next question, the z transform of del of n minus k for k greater than 0 is. The z transform of del of n minus k for k greater than 0 is. Next question, the ROC of z transform of the discrete time sequence x of n that is equal to 1 by 3 the whole power n into u of n minus 1 by 2 power n u of minus n minus 1 is. Next question, the discrete Fourier transform with n-point finite duration sequence x of n b. Next question, FIR filters are. Next question, obtain the Laplace transform of the gate function shown in the figure below. Obtain the Laplace transform of the gate function shown in figure below. Question number 35, if FL of Laplace transform of sin AT divided by t is equal to tan inverse of A by S, then integral of 0 to infinity sin t divided by t into dt is. 36th question, compute DFT of a sequence x of n that is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Next question, the Laplace transform of u of t is. The Laplace transform of u of t is. Next question, what is the Nyquist frequency for the signal x of t that is equal to 3 cos 50 pi t plus 10 sin 300 pi t minus cos 100 pi t. Next question, ROC of a causal LTI system is, or RCO of a causal LTI system is. Next question, test the LTI system y of n that is equal to n square into x of n is. Test the LTI system y of n that is equal to n squared x of n is. Next question, find Laplace transform of cos at divided by t. Laplace transform for cos at divided by t. Next question, the convolution property of discrete Fourier transform x of n and convolution with h of n is. 43rd question, in LTI system the unit step signal is. In LTI system the unit step signal is. Next question, find the z transform of the impulse function h of n that is equal to 0.3 power n into u of n is. Next question, the convolution sum formula for FIR system is. The convolution sum formula for FIR system is. Next question, find inverse Laplace of cot inverse of S. Find inverse Laplace transform of cot inverse of S. Next question, find Z transform for 1 by 2 power mod k modulus k. Find the Z transform 1 by 2 power modulus k. And next question, the Laplace transform of f of t that is equal to 1 minus 2 into e power minus 2t. Find the Laplace transform of f of t that is equal to 1 minus 2 into e power minus 2t. Next question, the system y of n that is equal to x of minus n is. Final question, fundamental period of the following signal is x of n is equal to cos. The fundamental period of the following signal x of n that is equal to cos 0.01 pi n. Cos 0.01 pi n. Find the fundamental period.